it's Misa with OCDetailing, and today we're going to go over this full wrap that we just did on this G-Wagon. Fully custom install, meaning that we tucked and wrapped over all of the edges, all of the panels of the vehicle, and this is like a level 10 install. This is incredibly difficult to do. We had our installer Anthony knock it out of the park for us. Basically, you can compare this kind of like making your bed in the morning. Have you ever tried to pull your sheet over the bed and get it nice and taut, and then you kind of get those wrinkles that pull up? Basically, that's what happens when we try to do this G-Wagon, because it's got a lot of those same angles, a lot of those sharp edges, where tension points are pulling against each other, causing film to pull against itself. And most places would deal with that issue by doing some like relief cuts, but here we don't actually do relief cuts, as little as we can. So basically, the fender flares are all wrapped in one piece. Normally you would have a relief cut here and here to alleviate that tension. Same thing up here. This around the headlight was also done in one piece, which is practically unheard of in the PPF world, but it's really, really important to us that we do everything to the best possible quality, and we don't want the wrap to be visible at all. So this really required a lot of time. Anthony, it's a good thing he's bald, because otherwise he'd be ripping his hair out finishing this. And then, but yeah, he did a really, really great job. And then of course it got the ceramic coating on top of everything at the end, making it look nice and beautiful and maintaining that wonderful PPF that we did on everything. So yeah, this is the finished product, and we can't wait for our customer to see it. He's actually just around the corner. So if you want to wrap your G-Wagon, if you want to bring us some challenging cars, just know that we're going to knock it out of the park for you, and we'll be waiting.